in line for coffee. It is crazy long. I never come at like coffee times, but the line is no joke, and I am the last one in line. There's a CRV in front of me who cut me off so they could get one spot ahead. I could never cut someone in line. I just think that's really awkward, like, because now you're just together. I don't mind, you can get your coffee 30 seconds before me, but how could you cut someone in line? Like, how awkward. Who are your parents? How am I still the last human in line? Like, we all got here at the same time. The CRV cut me off. Now I'm the last one. Like, nobody else wants coffee? Do you want coffee? No, see, they went straight. I don't know. I'm the last one. I hope they don't run out. Oh my gosh, I really like her outfit. The girl with a camel colored baseball hat, blonde hair, gray t-shirt, and dark gray leggings, and a cognac color crossbody bag. How cute. Thank you.
Where that latte is. Do you want a sleeve on your latte?
Oh, no, thank you.
There you are.
Thanks.
All right, you have a good one.
You too. I suck at social awkward situations. Is there a car? No. I'm so bad. This is a very good latte, by the way. I love this latte. It's time. I'm getting a pumpkin spice latte. I actually think I'm going to get it iced. Actually, no, I won't. Okay, anyway, I'm on my way to get my first pumpkin spice latte of 2021. This is what I've been waiting for. So pumpkin spice latte season always right at the beginning of September. So it is still warm. I'm in a blazer though. I'm manifesting fall vibes because you can't really tell what the temperature is, and you might be watching this so much later on. So I want it to feel like fall. I remember on The Girls Next Door when they went to New York City, everyone was wearing sweatshirts, like college looking sweatshirts, and Holly was wearing this dress with stilettos, and she just looked so pretty, and I'm sure that she was so uncomfortable and cold, but I think it looked really good. And then that's what you'll see for the rest of forever. So that's what I'm doing, is very fall vibes. Fall Francesca is activated. Da-da-da-da-da. I really need to sort out this glam room of mine. It's laundry, and I just want to go through everything, you know, and do some, not spring cleaning, but like fall cleaning, I guess. I'm in the mood to clean. It's like definitely the evening, but I'm in the mood to clean. I have a lot of lip products that obviously we were not allowed to wear in 2020, and I have some just stuff that's a few years old I'd like to toss. I just love going through everything and throwing it out. I'm like not a pack rat that much. Where should we start? Should we keep you? This guy is 3 years old. Can you believe it? I'll grab some groceries and then cook some food for you, or show you how to cook some food, I guess. How do I get this lucky with princess parking all the time? I think this is one of the ways to know. Like, if you're wondering, am I a nice person? Am I a good person? Did I do the right thing lately? I think the answer is shown. I'm kind of parking again. But I also really like to go places on off hours, so maybe that could actually help out a lot. But whatever, princess parking is princess parking, and I feel royal. Panera discontinued my favorite sandwich, but in all honesty, I would like customize the sandwich anyway, and they just did away with it completely, which is fine because I'll make it myself. So I want to make a really nice welcome to fall meal, and let's cook it together. And I wrote my grocery list on paper and I forgot a pen, so I'm gonna have to like mentally, like, maybe I'll kiss it with my lipstick every time I buy it and put it in the cart. He knew I needed these because he brought fresh ones in, but I didn't tell him anything because that'd be awkward. Oh yeah, yes please. Is this a butternut squash? Literally the one thing that doesn't have a label. Is this butternut squash? I have no idea. The answer is no. These are butternut squash, which also don't have a label, but I Googled it. I have everything I need, so let's go home and get to cooking. Ah, that was tough. It felt like I was on supermarket sweep. Finished grocery shopping. Yeah, I'm excited to cook. Okay, so I have my ingredients out. I don't know how long I'm going to stay in this sweater. I'm already warm. The soup recipe I found online, and then the sandwich recipe I just made it up. So here's the for the soup. So here's the stuff for the soup. I'll write everything down too. It took a minute. Cutting a butternut squash is a real bee. Hold on. I have Gossip Girl on. Let's turn that down. So I chopped a butternut squash. This is 3 tiny little carrots, 2 apples. These are Gala's because I had them. And then 1 small yellow onion.
Gossip Girl here.
You guys are just hanging out on top of the dog food. So, whatever. Okay, first I pulled up the wrong recipe online and it called for apples, so I'm just adding the apples, but this recipe doesn't even say that. This smells so good. I'm just going to let this boil and then we'll simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, it says to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, but 10 did the trick. I just stuck a fork through the squash and the carrots are tender. I'm turning off the heat, and then now I'm going to add the pumpkin puree. Butter. That recipe that had apple in it, that I accidentally read first, I noticed that it was wonky because it said vegan. I'm like, no way. There's definitely cream cheese and heavy cream in this. I guess you could not put this stuff, but why not? I'm doing a heaping tablespoon because why not? This smells like fall. Oh, lock is the lock way, not the unlock. Ooh. Okay, please don't splash on me. Oh God. I'm just gonna add some heavy cream now. That's the last step. And then after I put this in the bowl, I have pumpkin seeds to just sprinkle on top. I'm going to use half of this. Oh, jeez. This is so much soup. Like, do I need this much soup in my life? What am I going to do with all this soup? Okay, so now I'm going to make the sandwich.
Hey, could you put that on croissant for me?
I'm so hungry right now. I'm going to make 2, so whatever. If I don't finish it, I have enough soup to last me a lifetime. I can have an extra sandwich in the refrigerator as well. So I'm just putting some mustard
Yeah, man, how you gonna play brother on the Great Poupon?
on both sides of the bread. Then I'm going to drizzle some honey on both sides as well. Some spring mix just on the bottoms. And then I put like a half an apple per croissant. I have these Gala Apple slices. I know, I'm like getting really messy. I'm just literally hungry right now. I put too much of every ingredient on here because what else am I gonna do with my life, you know? It'll be okay. I eat it all. It's not as cute to eat when you put like a whole apple, but it tastes bomb. so I'm not too fussed about it. I've made this and I've done it in a cute way and it's not as delicious. And then I got some sharp white cheddar. I like to rip the turkey, the deli meat. So good.
Sandwich on a croissant, heavy on the Grey Poupon.
And how cute is this mug?
Someone poured
My
that
stair
in the
stepper
tray.
is behind me.
Yes, very nice.
I have the best dogs ever. He wants to sit by me, but he doesn't like beg or like, he's never had people food, so he doesn't know that he wants it. He doesn't give a